Good morning, everybody. I just woke up, and today is the day we defeat Giovanni. I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's Heatran. I'm pretty excited to defeat him. Let's do it, and let's do our other daily stuff. Just as I suspected, it is a Heatran. Let's go ahead and cash this bad boy. Hopefully, it's 100 IV. Or something a little cool, but dude, new legendary, new fun. Let's go. Now that we've done our daily stuff, I will be back once the New Year's event has started, and we'll start catching literally everything. And I might catch a couple of Pokemon and stuff while we wait. So yeah. New Year's event starts in literally 1 minute. I'm really excited, so hopefully we can get like a shiny Pokemon or two. Let's go. It is freezing out here, bro. But bro, no shinies yet. But we just finished a ton of research. Holy crap. Let's see what we get. Hopefully something good. So unfortunately we didn't get a single shiny or 100 IB, which really sucks, but we did get some cool looking Pokemon, so let's keep going. Maybe we'll find a shiny or something, but you know, it is what it is. Also gonna pop our daily incense, because why not? Maybe we'll get a Galarian bird or something. Hopefully. Dude, Galarian Zapdos? Dude, that was the highest CP I probably have ever seen on a Galarian Zapdos. Okay, no. Alright, we are heading back. We did not get a singular shiny. We did add that Galarian bird, so I guess that's pretty cool. But we might catch one later today, so hopefully we do. Let's go ahead and head back. There is literally no way we caught a Galarian bird. Literally, the 5 steps away before I entered the house. Oh my gosh, bro. That makes it up. That makes up the whole thing. We caught a Galarian Articuno. Dude, let's go.